Oh. Oops. How to make the best drifting car in Drive Zone. Yes, I downloaded like a bazillion games this month. So yeah. This was eye-catching on the ad. Actually is eye-catching. Same thing as the ad. No worries about that war game. Look at this. This drifts super good. Look at that. Did you see that? Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, I want this person. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, that's not drifting. Here, it's amazing. From my other cars. Look at this super. I can turn this into off-road. Oh my god! Best car I need Raleigh suspension on this thing. It's ready to tune. And this mini. This is my tarot. You can copy it, yes. Here's the thing. You have to have 22 left ones. Have to. Look at this. 42 kilometers on this thing. So, you need this. And then back this side. The hood needs stock. Oh, obviously, we can get this on 28. And these things here. Yes. Stucky. Wayside is way uglier. Wayside. Additional spoiler. Stock. Obviously, roll cage stock. That's the body. Now the rims, I got the Volk Hot with 16 diameter and max width. Performance engine 3 and 1 turbocharger. Exhaust 1. Intake 1. Reduce weight 1. Clutch 1, sports gearbox, drivetrain stock, so rear-wheel drive, differential is stock, the engine swap is just stock, anti-lag is stock, no anti-lag, and stock nitro. Now here is the thing, suspension. Sport suspension tires are stock, but you can obviously put on drift tires here. They look like the same thing as stock. Yeah. Brakes are 1. Front axles have -4. Soon I'll be changing it to -6. -6 for later on. -8. Yeah, that looks way better. Also, but right now I have -4. Camber's -5. camber's -5. Front wheel shift is +2. The rear wheel shift is also +2. Now here, skins. No skins. Skin job looks like this. I don't know how to say it, okay? And special about I do not have smoke colors soon, but the interior color is blue. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna make it blue as well. Copy. Stop it. This is the hex here. 008BFFFFF. Nice. Use task. Reward, okay. Yeah, this thing is not my favorite. It's C class, okay? C class. Drive. AE86, okay? Oh, look who's here! Oh, here? Oh my god! Oh! I need help, please. Help me. Oh, it's a real wheel drive. Are they on my road already? Using the same thing, look here. Oh, 50 over, sorry. necessary.